Hello.
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 Today we're gonna react to
Chill
Chill Kill. Red Velvet's back, y'all. That's all that matters. We've been waiting.
I've been waiting.
I don't know when they're gonna announce. Like, I think they announced that they're gonna have a tour here.
Ooh.
But if they do have a tour here, we have to go.
We have to go.
We have to go. Got to see Red Velvet. I don't know if you got to see them live before.
No.
Not even
never.
not KCON. Did they ever do KCON?
I've never seen them live, but I just love them. And
Same here.
I love Sugi.
Sulgi?
Yeah.
Is that your bias?
Yes.
Mine is Wendy. I got to know them a lot more through their solos and subunits and just like watching variety shows.
Yeah, yeah.
So.
Yeah, well, that's the reason why I like Sugi is by watching her stuff like outside.
Oh, she participated in that.
She
Oh, I thought you meant like a show called Outside. Never mind.
No.
I thought you meant like the camping thing.
No.
Like Solgi's album is slept on, by the way. I'm just letting you know. You guys gotta check it out. 28 Reasons. Not even that. The whole album, I think Los Angeles literally fits as how I feel about Los Angeles in the night. It's enough about.
I kiss your brother.
Don't do that. Don't. I don't understand. I don't know. Someone can explain to me. Whoa. Her brother? Does she have a brother?
I don't know.
Okay.
You don't want to kiss my brother.
Listen, we're talking about Red Velvet. Oh, damn. Let's get it. Let's go. Play my intro. Red Velvet, you ready?
Yeah.
CC on.
I'm ready.
4K. We're gonna see the
4K.
pores.
Yes.
Ugh. Let's get it. Let's go.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh.
Oh.
They marked out somebody's face.
Someone's face. Oh, okay.
I heard it was. Some people said it was a prequel to Peekaboo.
Ooh.
And it kind of seems this way.
Oh my gosh, their outfits are cute. Oh, Sugi. Sugi's in like a very like I love her outfit. Just like jeans and.
Oh, they're redoing the.
Oh. Shit.
Oh.
Whoa.
Oh. What?
Ooh.
Why does this feel like a Netflix documentary?
Oh, that's fire.
Like a. Okay. Chill Kill enters the like thunder. Look at their little hats. Ooh. Ooh.
Shh. Wendy said. Shh.
They searching. They're solving?
Oh.
Oh, it's oh.
Hey.
Oh, that switch up though.
I like the switch up.
It got like upbeat, happy, kind of.
Yeah. Hey. Oh, I wasn't expecting this.
What the fuck?
Oh my god.
Blood keeps on getting spilled.
Ooh.
Oh, the little.
Yeah. Oh, she's trying to clean up the mess. Okay.
Ah, they're covering up their mess. I don't know. Oh.
Hey. Let's go, Miss Ma'am.
Hey, the little body roll. You already know. Oh. Oh.
Oh, Joy and her.
Oh, wait.
Fighting or what? Oh, see, her acting is always good.
Yeah, true.
Don't sleep on Sugi. Actually, all of their acting is pretty good.
They're doing really good, yeah.
They're doing really
Oh.
good.
Oh, the little hug. Wait, there's so much drama.
Yeah, there's a lot happening.
But then this part. A little. Hey. Oh, they're so cute, actually. Their smiles. Ooh, yes, ma'am.
Ooh, yes, Wendy.
Oh, the 13th.
Oh,
Okay.
Okay.
Where are we going? Whoa. That's gas, I guess.
Okay. Yeah, that is. Oh my god.
Where are we
she
going?
looks so good.
Oh, they all look good actually. Why are they all separated?
Very good. Yeah, why are they all separated? Except for
Whoa.
Wendy and
True.
and Yeti.
Oh,
Oh.
the sling bandage thing on their eye.
Oh wow.
What's that called again? I forgot.
Oh, that's an
interesting lighter.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, okay, iPad.
That's badass.
Another. Let's go. Sorry.
This has to symbolize something.
Dang.
Is it from past MVs? Is it like
And then the fairy wings are a little bit red at the bottom.
they're bloody or
they're
at least
bloody.
dyed red?
Yeah.
One has like a veil. One has an eye patch. Ah. Wait, what? The police?
Oh shit, they got caught.
What y'all do?
Okay, Irene. Oh.
Oh, yes.
I
Perform.
really like
Perform.
It sounds like the chorus.
Right.
Like I like it a lot.
It's for me. It's not even done yet. Yeah, but
Yeah.
like from like the beginning to like the chorus, it's upbeat. But for me, it still feels uncomfy because I'm not sure what's gonna happen. That's me watching the music video while it's playing.
Yeah.
But this is like they're performing in front of the police.
Aww.
Oh, you're still being arrested. Wait, what?
Wait. Oh. Ooh, I like the way they
Yeah,
spelled
chill
it.
kill.
Wow. What is that? Red velvet.
Red
nice.
velvet.
Ooh.
What the hell?
I'm so confused. I'm gonna be real here.
But
Let's see.
okay, so there's someone missing in the picture.
Yeah.
Arranging furniture back,
So they can dance.
and
Like-
then a chair.
And then they
to
leave that chair to perform for somebody that's not there.
Yeah.
And is it like the
the
person-
CEO.
Oh shit.
Nah.
That's kind of deep. Low key though.
But you know what's crazy? I haven't checked out the past MVs in a
Okay,
while.
I don't know why I love that.
Oh, sorry.
Like
Yeah,
the
yeah.
knife going over.
Yeah, and then
like,
cuts it off.
Cuts it off.
The razor, I think,
Like,
or
yeah,
knife,
The
like
knife.
you said.
Yeah. That's so
It's
cool.
they're out. He's out of their lives. I love how that
Yeah.
it cuts through, but then her head is
Joy,
just
yeah.
it's just full still.
Yeah, just like goes over it.
So these has to be the past. They're looking into the past, or is this like an art direction?
Harmonies is so good there. Their harmonies are always really good.
Their harmony's always been good. I mean, it is SM2. Oh, so they entered somewhere that I guess they never did before?
So, oh, sorry. Someone's calling me. Spam caller.
We don't like spam commerce.
I'm gonna throw you.
How dare you interrupt our red velvet time?
velvet.
Stupid ass spam callers.
Stupid ass.
Like this video if you hate spam callers.
Me, I'm a spam that like button. But yeah, no, because when they were in the bus, it was Wendy. No. Last time it was Joy, or was it Wendy?
could-
I don't know.
So basically, there's a door that has
Everything's already.
out. Is that wine or blood?
But it was-
I thought it was like blood with glass. I hate that.
So they broke. Like, there's already broken stuff.
Yeah.
And they're discovering it, and then is it like?
Oh, it's
Oh,
jam.
that's jam.
Okay, it's jam
Okay,
with.
that's just jam.
All right.
But then.
That's
it's
all I was
like-
trying to go back.
But it's like dirtying her white socks.
Right.
So, like,
And then she's having
and
like a
then-
mental breakdown right
yeah,
now.
uh-huh.
That
then-
part is crazy
And
to me.
then does that mean Wendy did it?
I guess.
And she was the one that went.
Yeah.
Like,
And she look.
like
look.
maybe she was trying to show them
She-
what she did.
Maybe.
Maybe.
She definitely did. She has the blood on her. Like,
Yeah.
you know when you...
Oh, shit.
What is that? Oh,
One
that's
of
your
my
earring.
my earpieces.
You know once you kill somebody, not that I have any experience in that, but if you've seen like...
Are you sure?
No, but in
You
videos...
acting like you...
In videos that I've seen, like in dramas, that when you stab somebody, that usually goes on the face.
Yeah.
Right?
And she's the one that led them into there.
She turns around. And then over here, they're cleaning.
Yeah, they're cleaning. So they're helping
Shovel.
her.
Rug. Don't know what that is. That's an interesting perspective.
They're helping her.
Staining again, cleaning up. Sad as fuck.
Yeah.
Ugh.
And Joy's like the most, like the person that was most affected. By it.
Yeah. It seems
I
like
don't
it,
know.
yeah. Wait, say that again? Waiting for you here for a happy ending with a chill kill. Wait, let me see the rug again. Did it get bigger? Like body bigger? No, it didn't. Okay, so I'm not sure still.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah. Okay, then they.
Sorry for pausing a lot. I'm just literally going through each and every... Is that a hand? Or a mannequin arm?
No, I don't know what that is.
Is that just a statue or a blunt object with blood?
Yeah. Like she's.
And then they fought over
she's-
it,
Oh.
right? I swear there was a fight. Okay, now she's going through grief. I don't know. This part.
I don't think. Oh yeah.
What?
Oh, what is that though?
Is that the photo or
Is that like evidence or something?
maybe evidence, or it had blood on it too?
I don't know. It could have been evidence. And then Irene comes in on Yeti, just looking at the TV. Kind of. Oh, okay. She turns it off.
Oh.
Okay, she's angry. Oh, and then she hugs her.
That was like a K-drama moment though. But they're definitely going through it.
Yeah.
I love music videos like this though.
I like tears melting the ice.
Ooh. This is interesting. So, all the way to 13, of course. October. Oh no, wait. Yeah.
No, November.
Oh, I'm dumb.
This is November 13th, which is the day it comes out, this song.
Yeah.
So I guess that's D-Day of like whatever
what happened here.
Yeah.
Please do explain in the comments down below if you have any
dude,
knowledge.
if you guys have theories,
Please share it. We
comment
love
down
reading it.
below.
Any corrections that we've set from... Okay, so this is what we were talking about.
Yeah. So Wendy was the one that showed Yeti from the get-go. Before, I thought she was Joy, like from the first watch through, but it's Wendy.
Okay.
And Wendy was the one that went shh, and Yeti was the one that went with her, and the other three were kind of like in the back.
Right.
Yeah. So I think this is very purposeful, but I don't know why. I don't know why.
Unless it's like a same... That's why I said like past MVs could come into this.
Maybe they're wearing different outfits from different MVs.
Like
as
this
well.
part too, like the different outfits.
Yeah.
They're
They
getting the
all
fuck
have-
out of there.
Yeah, they have all of their luggage. And then they're burning the evidence.
We got veils, we got
So
fairy
like,
wings.
Like Wendy and Yeti are very much connected in some way.
Right.
Yeah, some way. I don't know.
She's filming, and I feel like I've seen this eye patch somewhere. It does remind me of Kill Bill. There's an eye patch girl. She has a lighter with a, which is a cool lighter, and she throws it to burn the place.
Sugi's so pretty. Sorry.
She is gorgeous. I'm not gonna lie. She's so talented too.
All of them are. I'm just biased with.
I love this. I love this. Like, oh, they're the only ones holding hands.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. Like,
Subunit? She's filming.
She's
Rockstar. Fairy.
Fairy.
But they're burning, like, maybe their past? Like, new shit?
Maybe.
I don't know, like... They burned it. Yeah. Starting a new life. Getting stopped by the popo. And what do we do, girls? What do we do when we're stopped by the popo? Throw our shit down and perform our asses off for one last. Interesting though.
Oh, Irene looks kind of dead inside.
It's like done. We did it. But who's watching this?
I don't know.
That's a creepy shot to me.
That is.
It reminds me of like those. Okay, like I want to see that beginning where she said shush. So they're cleaning up everything. As like a ear tone. Someone putting in a new tape.
I love that.
Yeah. They have good choices in this production. Always stops here. Oh, okay. So,
yeah, so
they were always in the.
They were in.
They were in
back,
focus.
and they were like.
I mean, not
like,
the ones in the back.
separated.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, Yeti and Wendy are just like very much
Right.
together, and they're just like kind of hesitant.
But the whole time they were always together too.
Yeah. They're still all in it together, but Yeti and Wendy have like a special
In this
music video.
Was that the wing? Oh no, that's the thing they were fighting for, right?
Oh, maybe.
That turn.
I love that.
I like that part too.
Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo!
Well, Red Velvet is back. Can't wait to check out the album.
Yes.
I'll probably check it later on today on Twitch.
I want to do a cover of this song.
You could.
Yeah, I want to.
You would have to be more inspired with their outfits too, which I think you have.
Yeah.
The knit like stuff, the knit
True.
jackets.
Either do a dance or singing, either or. I'm gonna do one of them.
Well, I know a friend of mine loves Red Velvet. Oops, my bad.
Oh, well, you know, I have a friend that's a bigger stan than I am of Red Velvet. Daniel.
Oh, I'm talking about Salvi too. He's
Oh, shit.
he got me into Red Velvet.
Yeah, Daniel, like, learns all of their dances.
Oh, that's true. No, I saw his story.
No, and Daniel
I saw his story.
is always just like Zimzalabim. Like
Zimzalabim fan.
Everything that they come out with, he loves it, no matter what.
That's a fan. That's a fan. That's a stan, basically.
Yeah,
But yeah, it was quite interesting. I need to watch. I actually want to hear the studio by itself and the whole album as a piece. Still a little bit confused. If you guys want to explain what did happen, I think we're trying to piece it together. We're curious, so please, if any people that have lores or theories or just the actual exact facts,
Yes.
please put in comments down below.
And like, if you guys have like any information from like past music videos that are linked to this too, like, please let us know, because like I'm always down to go look back and
True.
like, make comparisons.
Me too.
So let
I love that.
Yeah, comment.
So please comment. All right, y'all. Till next time, everybody. Bye bye.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.